What's good, YouTube? It's Almighty Boy back with another car video, and today we just got a car video, you know what I'm saying? But I want to let y'all hear this. It's cold outside, right? That's like 40 something degrees. Now I do believe there's a tunnel up here. I might be tripping. I think I'm tripping actually. There's not a tunnel up here. I think that's the other way. My fault. Anyways, so I'm about to get way more consistent on this channel because some things went on in the Atlanta car scene. Some things have been going on with the police and things of that nature. But it's just you have to be more careful of the things that go on, like the things you do on camera. People have been getting raided, like Street Speed 717 was raided. It was another guy, I forgot what his name is, out of Texas. He was raided for the racing and all that, which I don't do any of that. Like, and if I do any of that, we usually take a trip to Mexico and do that. So if you ever see me doing that, that's when, that's when I do it. But I guess there's been people doing it in Atlanta, and I'm not gonna lie, it is dangerous. Cutting up in traffic is very dangerous, and I can see where people say it's fun and all that, but I don't do that because one, right? I don't drive fast. Like the speed limit, like if I'm going over the speed limit, I'm going like 5 over. But I hardly ever speed. You can ask my friends, like, no cap. But people have been speeding. People have been cutting up in traffic in the most unsafe way. Like, there's been a lot of people doing too much. There's been people doing guns and stuff, like cutting up with an AK and cutting up with a Glock. Like, bro, that shit is so stupid. Like, if you do that, that's what you do. I have, like, just know that's messing up for a lot of people, because you're bringing, first, you already know, and it's not even the Camaro people, because I don't even see a lot of Camaro YouTubers, honestly, but it's a lot of the Mopar people, and that brings, everybody already knows, the Mopar community already has a terrible reputation because the things they do. They stop up traffic, do donuts, do burnouts, they slide in the middle of the road. Like, I've never seen this here, but people really shut the highway down. Like, that shit's crazy. And then the cutting up, especially in New York, them New York niggas be going crazy. These niggas be here, there, white lining, driving in the median over, or the side. I saw this video the other day. Somebody was driving on the side, and when he went, it was a car parked on the side, and bro, he slammed into the back of that shit. Messed up his car, all that. And to me, that's just dumb, because why would you even do that? You know that's where people go for emergencies. They gotta change a tire. I don't know if anybody was in there, but imagine somebody's tire's flat, right? Oh, that's hard. Imagine somebody's tire's flat, and they're changing their tire, and they got a kid in the backseat, right? You hit them, you probably gonna kill the driver of the car changing the tire, the parent. Then if they're standing still and you going 80 to 100, bro, you're gonna hurt the kid also. So I don't like the cutting up stuff. Like, when I say I be cutting up, I really don't be cutting up. Like, I'll go a little fast and then switch a lane, but I'm not going boom, 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 switching and all that, because that's just too much, honestly. I don't do that stuff. But anyways, everybody that I be with supposed to get back into the car stuff, but not on a dangerous level. Like, it was just hard for me to upload stuff when I'm pretty much the only one trying to do it, and nobody's doing it. Because if we drive somewhere, usually when everybody was doing the car stuff, when somebody drives, or when everybody's driving separate, everybody's recording, right? But now that those people don't do that no more, I don't want to put them on camera because they're obviously not recording it for a reason. So there's no reason for me to put it on camera. You see what I'm saying? But somebody is supposed to get their car back very soon, so it'll be easier to do. Then they'll be moving closer. It's just a lot is gonna do it. Like, if anything happens, like I said, we will take a trip to Mexico and race there because you can do what the fuck ever. Digs, roll, all that. Like, it takes time and money, but I believe it's worth it. Like, who don't want to go to Mexico and do car stuff? Like, that stuff is fun. Like, because if you have a car like this, you obviously love the car. I mean, you obviously like doing car stuff. Bro, come on, get over. Gosh. But the reason I don't cut up is because, bro, you're putting, like, I think about everybody in every situation, bro. I could mess up and, like, hit somebody, right? I could mess up, hit somebody, mess up their life, even in their life, which you gotta live with that for the rest of your life, bro. Like, that's some hard stuff to deal with. Like, imagine doing that, taking a parent from somebody, or even taking a kid from their parent, taking anybody from a life, taking anybody from out of anyone's life. That's just crazy. You'd have to live with that forever. But yeah, that's why I don't do it. Because even if you can be the best driver in the world, bro, and if somebody, there's people out here with hate in their heart, right? Because you see this on videos all the time. Somebody will be flying down the road, and then somebody will get over in front of them. Like, what are you doing? Like, you see somebody flying behind you, and you still get over. And even if they see you, but it doesn't look like you're going that fast, you still hit them, and that's still your fault because you're going that fast. But I never want to be put in a situation where I do that to anybody. So that's why I don't do it. Because like I said, one person's mistake can change everything. This car, let's say somebody butt riding somebody, right? I got 6 piston Brembo. Fuck that. Let's just say I don't know if this is a thing, I doubt it, but it might be 8 piston Brembo brakes, right? I'm right here. This car in front of me slams on brakes. I slam on brakes. That's still danger, even though I'm not in the wrong. It's just other people. You gotta watch how other people drive. I almost got hit at an intersection the other day because the lady almost ran a red light. If I would have pulled out, I would have got hit. But she stopped in the middle of the intersection and backed up. Like, what are you doing? But believe the car content will be coming back. The car content will be coming way more consistently. I'm thinking 3 times a week, maybe 4, maybe 5. You never know. It just depends how hard. Because, I got a main channel too for those who don't know. So I'm doing 2 things. I done made a whole schedule to line up on every social media, like to get stuff going on every social media. So that's what I want to get out there. Like, I just want to get out as much content as I can for y'all, because some of y'all are real supporters, and this channel has grown fast. Like, for me to start it maybe 2 months ago now, because I basically took a month off of this channel because everybody or whatever. But I reached 1,000 something subscribers in the first month, I believe, which is great. And I see y'all mess with the car content, so why not do the car content? You see what I'm saying? But that's just what's gonna happen. So y'all just take this video, take everything I'm saying, drive more careful, because you never know what can happen. Somebody can, let me wait till that stop. Somebody can mess up something for everybody. Somebody crash and everybody else crash. Somebody get over, somebody cut somebody off. That can mess up something for everybody. So y'all just be careful when you're driving. I know y'all think it's cool. It might be cool to you, but just be careful, bro. I'm telling y'all. But that's all I wanted to get on here and say. Every video from here now on out will be good. I'm recording on a phone right now with a mount, but I want to, like, when outside of the car videos, I want to start using camera, get the quality up on here, because y'all really do support, and I want to have like the best quality I can for y'all, because y'all are some big supporters. But that's gonna be the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Make sure you subscribe for the best Camaro content. I'm out.